to start a journey to a healthy me. And so with all this corona virus, we all at home and I'm eating nonstop, whatever I see. So yeah, I gained some weight. And on top of that, I realized that I'm tired. I'm always, my back hurts. And then recently we decided to change the life insurance. At least I should say update it. And so with that, they actually you have to provide samples, like blood samples, urine samples. So we did that, my husband and I, and the results were not up to par, meaning nothing alarming, nothing bad, but to the point where you're like, maybe I need to make some changes. Nothing major, because again, something about me is I don't work out, I don't eat healthy. That is definitely not me. So I just thought I'm going to start slowly, making some changes in my diet, or making some changes by working out, maybe a little bit, or doing some exercising, I should say. So first thing I did is go online, and I realized that I want to do a cleanse. I don't know if this is the first step that you need to take. I'm not sure. That's what I decided to do. And I came across Raw Juicery. So I received the package today. I love this all black package. Is like, yeah, we are serious about what we're doing. It was well packed. It came cold. And I ordered the signature cleanse. Now, the one thing I realized about them is when you order before 1 o'clock, on a weekday, you get it by the next day, like at 10 o'clock. Because of what's going on right now, of course, I didn't get it that fast, but I got it in 2 days. So that's awesome. The one thing about this is didn't put any instructions. So I went online and so I can read to you guys what the signature cleanse consists of. So there are 21 bottles. It's a 3-day cleanse, and those are the different ones. So they have online the schedule basically. Every 2 hours, you have to take one. So the first one is at 8 a.m., which is a celery juice. 10 a.m., the Master Cleanse. 12 p.m., G3 Live. The Aftermath at 2 p.m. Then the Tropic Thunder at 4 p.m. And then at 6 p.m., the Red Cure. And then 8 p.m., the Cleanup. So, I mean, it looks all natural. That's why I chose it. I'm going to take a look at it with my husband to make sure. But I mean, to me, this is something I wanted to do, and that's the one I chose. Why? I'm not sure. After I read up on it, I liked it. So I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to put those in the fridge, and I don't know when I'm going to start. Today is, what's the date? May 13th on a Tuesday. Yes, I think. I don't know. Coronavirus. So I believe it's Tuesday, May 13th for sure. I'm not sure when I'm going to start. I have 3 days, so maybe tomorrow. We'll see. When I have the guts to do it, I will do it, and I will do a video on each of those flavors and see if I like it or not. So anyways, thank you, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye.